Okay, Attorney Steve Vondran, we're back. This is my top 4 tips how to submit an idea to the entertainment industry. This is Attorney Steve Vondran, licensed practice law in California and Arizona. We have office in Beverly Hills, serving up sports and entertainment law. For more information, go to our website at entertainmentlawyer.tv. All right, let's get rolling through this. Disclaimer, this is not a legal advice or substitute for legal advice. We do offer paid consultations and whatnot. We do offer, in some cases, free initial consultations. So please give us a call if you have a question in regard to sport and entertainment law. All right, let's get down to it. Entertainment law rule number 1. If you have an idea you want to submit to the entertainment industry, a book, song, screenplay, all sorts of different things that you could be submitting. First question to ask yourself, can I get intellectual property protection? Can I get a copyright? Can I get a trademark? Is it patentable? Those kinds of things. So the first question I always say is, what do you have? Is it a song? Is it a book? Is it a magazine? Is it a picture that you have? Is it some kind of artwork? Is it a character? What do you have? If we can get a copyright on it, the first thing you want to do is register your copyright, okay? Your trademark, that's a name, a slogan, a logo, those kinds of things. If you have a catchy name or something that you want to, even like a jingle, something you want to trademark as part of your idea submission, then go for that. Patent, that's really outside of the area of entertainment law, but there probably are some things that can be patented and then presented to entertainment. So that's another type of deal. But keep in mind, an idea, just the mere idea, cannot get intellectual property. So you say, I have an idea. That's not subject to intellectual property protection, okay? So look at your thing. If you're not sure, do I have something that I can get intellectual property rights on? Give us a call. We can give you a consultation on that and talk about it, okay? But entertainment rule number 1, if you have intellectual property, protect it. That will give you more rights than if you don't protect it, okay? In a short nutshell. WG registration, I have that on here if you're putting together screenplays, literary works, different things like that. You also want to register with a WGA registration, Writers Guild, okay? So that's $20. It's different from intellectual property. It's not the same thing. And in fact, you want to do both if that's what you're going to do if you're going to submit something. So that's entertainment rule number 1. Do you have something to protect? Make sure you protect it before you're submitting these things to industry, okay? Entertainment law rule number 2, submit your idea or project in writing. And typically you want to do that certified letter or overnight mail. You don't just want to call somebody and say, hey, I've got this great idea. You don't want to be at an entertainment party and say, hey, I've got these great ideas. Look, here's the 5 ideas that I have. Somebody just may love one of them. You may have an amazing idea. Okay, you may have something that's even protected, but you want to put your offers down in writing. You want proof that the entertainment company that you're submitting to actually received it, okay? If you're faxing it, you want a fax confirmation. Email, you've got that confirmation. You want to be documenting everything along the way because, yes, ideas and intellectual property do get taken and stolen and used without paying for it. Yes, even the big entertainment companies do it. Okay, they would have you believe it's just the kid downloading the music for free who's an internet pirate, but entertainment companies can do this as well. You should also submit a cover letter explaining that you're submitting the work with the expectation of being compensated or with the expectation of receiving some type of credit for it. Okay, let them know that you're submitting this for that purpose, okay? So there's no mistakes about it and saying, hey, it was a gift. He was just giving us something really nice and new just because he wanted to contribute to the field of entertainment law. No, you don't want to do that, okay? So a nice cover letter with your intellectual property. If you want to put your registrations in there, that's not going to hurt you either. And you may also want to submit a confirming letter, a week after you send it or 2 weeks after you send your initial letter, send a confirming letter. Hey, still haven't heard back, hoping to hear from you. Remember, I sent this letter, okay? Entertainment law, rule number 2, put it in. Actually, I have put it in wording, but that's not going to help you. Put it in writing, okay? And let's go on to the next one. Entertainment law, rule number 3. When you're getting responses, if you're getting phone calls, texts, emails, if you're getting some response and some enthusiasm, somebody says, well, I really like this, or hey, can you tell me more about that? Make sure you're saving all your communications. Do yourself a favor and start a little folder. I like to start I like to start little folders on everything that I do. Put a little folder together and basically start documenting everything. You want a paper trail. Do not record phone conversations. If you're in California, realize you cannot record somebody else's phone conversation, so don't do that thinking that you're putting a good, strong case together. That could actually get you in trouble, so be careful about doing that. Phone messages, if somebody leaves a phone message, by all means, feel free to save that. Put it onto a digital recorder. Something that I like to use is just a little digital recorder you can save things on, okay? So phone messages should be saved. So you're creating a paper trail for yourself, okay? Final rule number 4, entertainment law rule number 4. Attorney Steve here. We are saying do not sign anything until you have an entertainment lawyer review your contracts or agreements or non-disclosures or copyright assignments, whatever they may be wanting you to sign. Believe me, the best money that you can pay for a lawyer is before you have problems, to keep you out of problems, to keep you in the best compensation position to begin with, and not after, when and you say, my idea was stolen and this and that, I didn't get royalties, I got nothing. Okay, that's not how you do it, okay? But anyway, you want to get your entertainment lawyer involved before you're signing things, okay? Because some terms can be negotiated. Sometimes you may have a great idea that could be negotiated. So you don't want to just give away your rights thinking I can do it myself. You know, I had a business law class in undergrad and I can handle this. Do yourself a favor. If you really believe in your project, invest a little money to get an entertainment lawyer on your team helping you, fighting for your best clauses and protections, okay? If you have any questions, give us a call, 877-276-5084. You can email me, steve@entertainmentlawyer.tv. Find us on the web at entertainmentlawyer.tv. Once you have your contracts and agreements in place, then and only then should you be thinking about doing any sort of publicizing on social media and on the internet, unless for some reason your contract would state differently, okay? So that's the basics. We're sports and entertainment law. We handle artist representation, literary representation, models. You see the list here, right of publicity, trademark parody, sports and entertainment, litigation. There's our number. Give us a call. Thank you for listening. This is Attorney Steve. Connect with us on social media. Here's our media and our website. And please, by all means, feel free to share our videos on your social network sites. Thumbs up, give us a like, and you can subscribe too. We like subscribers. Anyway, have a great day. All the success in the world. We'll see you again. Attorney Steve.